We just this morning launched the biggest mobile collab, I think, ever with the Brawl Stars, where Brawl Stars visits Subway Surfers and Subway Surfers visits Brawl Stars. And that's one way where we can say, look, you still have the core run to yourself. It follows the environment of a Brawl Stars universe, but in a month's time we will visit a new city. But the game mode that we do with Brawl Stars is a way of also seeing how are the players actually engaging with us, both playing with other IPs, as well as trying out game modes that are so clearly an event for a duration of time to see if that scares away people.